Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update. On the monthly time frame, at least the 10 is the place where Jasmy should be going to in the next coming couple of months. So you do have a very big, like a bullish engulfing right here. Now bullish engulfing are normally candles that means the bottom is in, right? So you do have a very big bullish engulfing right now, and Jasmy is flipping the direction. So on the monthly time frame, it's pretty clear that if you ever come down like this and you lose the bullish engulfing candlestick, that will be a very, very negative statement, and you're going to continue even worse to the downside. But at least for now, we're not doing anything like that. So for me, you're looking at this 10 right now, at least on the monthly time frame, and that actually takes you up to 0.011520. Now for so many patterns that I'm looking at for Jasmy, they're all pointing towards this price area. The problem comes down to the daily. When you go down into the daily, you're not having Jasmy break out of anything. You see, we're still waiting and waiting for Jasmy to continue. Now there's one very, very good thing, and I think I'm going to summarize everything that you need to know right now, and that is you're still making the bull cross and you still have this left shoulder head and the right shoulder. So pretty much they're giving you bullish patterns, but let me tell you, if there's no break, it can be a trap. As long as you have a break and a nice successful retest without any fake out, the coin is always going to be safe. Yes, at some point manipulation happens, and this is just a part of the game. And as far as the daily goes, you got this nice amazing bull cross down there, and what I'm expecting is that since you have the upper resistance line coming down like this and the other prices which is now climbing up, we can take the previous movement and try to see what is going to happen next. So you probably push a little bit like this to the EMAs, Jasmy pushes again and again, and then you're going to have a squeeze by the middle of the month, maybe before 15th of May. We're going to get to know if you can finally make that squeeze and push to the upside, break up, and then boom, you take off completely to the upside. Or is it going to be that you just go up and up like this, up and up and up and up, and then you go and then you go and then you finally pop down and make a very big correction with so many people expecting that this is going to move up? Well, that's something that you have to keep an eye on. So that's pretty much it for this update on Jasmy. Just a quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.